What's the secret to creating better digital shopping experiences faster? It's choosing the right tools that make the customer's experience better and that integrate with each other seamlessly so you can get started right away. We call this composable commerce. It lets you leverage cloud-native tools to blend content with products and quickly see a return on investment, delivering personalized search, merchandising, and content on any channel. Contentstack and Constructor have partnered to help you transform your shopping experiences quickly. Start with building creative content listings for any product in your catalog with Contentstack's agile headless CMS. That will instantly surface in your e-commerce store using Constructor's AI-powered search and recommendations for personalized product discovery. Then embed product recommendations within inspirational content, such as articles, recipes, and video tutorials. With the Contentstack and Constructor out-of-the-box integration, you can build a dynamic collection of products using Constructor's merchandising tools. Then place that collection into any piece of content, anywhere, within a page or experience. Publish to any channel easily with Contentstack's agile technology. Your product collections and the content around them can be customized and personalized on the fly and will always stay in sync. But the best part is, you don't need to remove your current e-commerce engine to get started with Contentstack and Constructor today. That's the power of composable commerce.